Hello guys, how are you all? I hope you all be good. So my name is Chef Rahul Markam and once again welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, today I'm gonna show you. I have this whole chicken. So I need this whole chicken, only chicken breast and his leg, and remaining of bone I will throw it. So I wanna show you how we can remove the breast and the leg with this whole chicken. So let's start. So I would like to let you know, guys, it's not my own department butchery, but as a for the help, I just came here and I just want to show you how to we can remove the meat from the whole chicken. So this is the my point which I want to show you guys. So let's start. So you can see, I want to show you it's a whole chicken. So I have to remove his chicken breast and his leg. So let's start. So I will start from his both leg side. I will just cut from here and here. So let's start. So you can see my one leg is done. So I will go with the another leg. My second leg also has been done. So I will go with his breast. So I will go with first with his wings. Then with the center of breast. So you can see my one breast has been done. So I will go with another breast. So again I will start with his wings. So my second breast also has been done. So this is the bone. It's useless for me, but I can use these things for if I want to make a stock and if I want to make a roast for the flavor things, right? So I can use this bone. But remaining of these things, I did not want to use these things, right? So I will throw these things, and I only need this chicken breast and this chicken leg. That's it from this whole chicken. So this is things I want to show you guys how we can remove the chicken leg and the chicken breast from the whole chicken. So that's it. Bye.